Want a diffuser blend that feels like a fresh spring morning? Try Rooted Bloom. It's grounding and refreshing. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today we're making a diffuser blend that's perfect for those spring mornings when you want calm and energy at the same time. First, add 2 drops of lemongrass. It's bright and uplifting. Then 2 drops of hoe wood for a grounding feel. Next, 1 drop of bay. This adds the warmth and confidence. Finally, 1 drop of Lady's Choice to bring everything together. Want to make a bigger batch? Add 33 drops of lemongrass, 33 drops of hoe wood, 17 drops of bay, and 17 drops of Lady's Choice to a 5 ml bottle. Swirl and label. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Rooted Bloom Diffuser blend yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with the key ingredients you need to whip up natural, non-toxic wellness products at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. This scent is amazing, refreshing, calming, and perfectly balanced. It's the kind of blend I'll be using all spring. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Share your creations with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. For more DIY recipes, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. And I'll see you in the next video.